Hey everyone, Kevin here from SSEV Technologies. Thanks for joining us and wanted to introduce our new patent pending hybrid axle assembly. So essentially a design that we've had we've been working through a few prototypes, and here's kind of the latest one we've gotten working here just on a bench prototype design where we're able to introduce an electric motor tied directly to the differential that essentially could drive the rear wheels of your vehicle. So we believe this brings the best of both worlds. Essentially, we're able to use the electric motor, whether it be to improve the efficiency, right, helping you get around town, essentially reduce the load on your gas or diesel engine, which essentially will improve your fuel efficiency. At the same time, depending on how you have the motor controlled, you can also increase the performance, right? Essentially, now you have an electric motor tied directly to the wheels. So essentially, whatever torque you put in, right, essentially is then directly applied right along with the gas engine. To essentially you want to go have some fun from red light to red light, whatever it may be, right? Essentially, you'll have that instantaneous torque right from 0 RPM going into the drivetrain, right? So that could be essentially a big improvement in kind of what you feel driving around in your vehicle. So as we talk about a hybrid vehicle, right, we're going to take essentially an old pickup truck, your old car, whatever it is, right, that has essentially, a solid axle drivetrain. We're able to essentially incorporate this directly into the differential. You'll be able to essentially get around town better, right, essentially reduce the load on your gas, diesel engine. You'll be able to increase your fuel efficiency with that. At the same time, you get a little extra feel in the pants. A little extra power off the line, right, with this electric motor driving directly into the differential. We're really excited. Obviously, everyone that's out there, if you have interest, please reach out to us. Right, we'd love to talk more as we continue to progress this design, progress this towards the next level prototype. Driving into a full axle, and ultimately just continue to evolve the solution. We feel this could have a lot of potential for the older vehicles out there, right? And more and more people, enjoy their older vehicles, but with gas prices, fuel prices going up like they are, right? It just becomes, more and more painful every time you go to the pump, having to bring your wallet out, right? So this essentially could, take your old pickup truck, old Mustang, whatever it may be, right? And try to leverage the same technology that you might get in a Prius if you were to go out there and buy that, right? Some may view the Prius as a four-letter word, but the reality is essentially that the implementation that they have done there is very effective, right? And there's a reason that vehicle is very popular. So what we'd like to do is save those old vehicles, those ones that the people cherish, they grew up with or have memories, right? Essentially take those same old vehicles and get that type of efficiency out of them, right? And potentially improve your old pickup truck instead of getting 10 miles to the gallon. We're not going to just change the world and be crazy, but at the same time, right, if you take that 10, turn it into 15, turn it into 20, while at the same time getting a power increase over what those engines may have had from the 60s, 70s, 80s, right? Essentially that could be a huge advantage for your everyday person wanting to drive those vehicles around and have them be usable, have them be fun, and have them be economical to own and operate as well at the same time. We'll share some videos here of essentially this actually, in motion, just running here on the bench at low speed, and just kind of, really proving out the concept, right? Proving out the idea of how you go from what was a pure mechanical axle into a hybrid axle with this electric motor, and showing what the future could hold for this design in the vehicles, of future customers. So I want to say thanks for joining us. Appreciate your time, kind of hearing a little bit more about our hybrid axle solution. See where we take this in the future. Always, really fun stuff. Right? This is kind of what really drives us here, coming up with new creative ideas, essentially going to make people's lives better. Essentially taking concepts that we've learned over the years in our careers, right, and apply them to something new and different. And just kind of seeing what is the art of possible in some of these solutions. So again, thank you from SSEV Technologies, and follow the channel. and catch back up with us the next time. Hopefully we'll have a little more progress and a little bit more to show. Thank you.